So over here you can see that I got a basic floor plan, and let's say I want to add in structural elements into this. So over here, besides the walls and everything else, so let me just grab in a wall right here and make a partition. So let's say, for example, I have a wall over here and I can rotate this wall and make a partition just like that according to what I want. So just snap it onto place just like that, and there you go, there's a partition right there. So what else I can do is I can actually add in some more elements. For example, you can see that there's for example some opening right here. So there's the double door, so let me just drag it and put it over here on the side. So there's the door right here. Let me just drag it around at the end, so let me just drag it at the end right here. So there you go, there's the door. And let's say there are other things that I want to add in. For example, a window wall right here. So let me add in a window wall right here. Let me just rotate it around just like that. And there you go, there's the window right there. There's the window wall, which is denoted by this thing right here. So there's also the curved wall that I can add in. So if I can drag it around, and you can see that I have a curved wall that I can add in, for example. So in this case, I don't need any curved wall. So let me just delete this out. There's the overhead door right here. So you can keep it over here. So there's the overhead door, as you can see right there. And there's a sliding glass right here. So let's say this is where I want the sliding glass to be. I want to increase the size of the sliding glass, and there you go, there's the sliding glass right here. And you can also get other things. There's the row schedule, there's the column grid line, and everything else. Besides this, there's also gardening accessories right here. So there's the brick pathway. For example, let's say I want to add in a pathway right here. I can actually increase this in size. And there you go, there's the pathway right here, which I can actually add. I can increase this in size. Let me just drag it onto the top. Let me just drag it. There you go, there's the pathway right there. Drag it over here. And there's the brick pathway. There's the wood post right here. So let's say you want to add in a wood post, you can just click and drag it over there. There's a lot of things like garden fountain right over here. Let's say there's the fountain and other things just like that. There's also furniture. So let's say I want to add in a sofa right here. So let me add in a sofa right on. Let me just delete this out. I want to rotate this around. Let me keep the sofa right here. There's also the nightstand, for example. You can just add it in here. There's also the single bed. Let's say, for example, single bed is inside this room right here. And there's the desk as well. So let me just drag in the desk right over here. Let me rotate that out and keep it right over here. There's the chest. So let's say you want to add in a treasure chest or something like that onto the corner, just like that. There's also bunk bed, double bed, grand piano. Maybe you want to add in a piano and so forth. There's electrical and telecom. So there's surface ceiling light and so forth. So you want to add in a light over here. You can increase this in size just like that. So let's say there's a light that you want to add in. There's the wall light over here. So just drag around and increase this in size. There's the wall light. There's a stereo outlet and everything else, fire pole and everything else. So you can just drag it from this shapes right here. There's the normal drawings as well, circles, arcs. There's the telecom, furniture, and so forth. So that is how you can add in structural elements for floor plans inside of Microsoft Visio. Hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.